Hi everyone, Tatiana is here. Today I'm checking out something different. This is a wireless microphone system for acoustic instruments, and this is a double set for an accordion. In this lovely case you get a couple of instructions, two microphones, a receiver. These are the spare magnetic clips and the glue rings for the microphones. Here we have an antenna, the charging cable, an adapter, and two little things for the microphone heads. What I really like about this idea is that you can have two mics capturing sound from two sides, which is perfect for an instrument like an accordion, where sound comes from two sides at the same time. The microphones attach using these detachable magnetic clips, so there is no complicated installation and no need to permanently modify your instrument. You can use these glue rings many times, they're reusable, and you have spare ones. And of course, the biggest advantage is going wireless. You can move around on the stage or in your house or wherever you want without having microphone cables hanging everywhere. The system uses UHF wireless transmission and has a range of nearly 60 meters, which could be really useful for different venues. You can plug the receiver into your amp or into a mixer, which is especially useful for big stages. You set them up to the same working frequency with the receiver, and to do this, they connect with the receiver using infrared waves wirelessly. This is really easy to do. The microphone can also be used with some other instruments like the guitar or the ukulele or the violin or the cello. So far, I think this is a really interesting idea, especially for accordion players who want a flexible setup without being tied to cables. Also, you can use just a single mic, not two of them, or you can use both of them on different instruments. In this case, you can adjust the volume of the mics right on themselves, so this is a kind of a decentralized field mixing. The signal from both mics on different instruments, of course, will go to the single receiver, and believe me, the signal is going to be strong. The link to this device is in this video description.